Hello, my name is Tatiana McDonald, and today I will be discussing my digital lesson plan. My lesson plan objectives are explaining what an epic story is, discuss what makes an epic story, show you some examples of an epic story, create your own epic story, and creating your own digital hero and character traits. What is an epic story? An epic story is a long poem narrating the deeds and adventures of a heroic or legendary figures or the history of a nation. Epic is usually referred to as an expression of a great importance or quality. When viewing an epic story, there are five main concepts that you have to pay attention to in order to notice if it's an epic story or not. The first concept you need to notice is the problem. The problem is usually tragic if left unfixed, normally a large monster or demon causing the problem. The second thing to pay attention to is the people affected. The people affected usually is a world as a whole, or a kingdom, or even a large group of people. The third thing you need to pay attention to is the hero. This is the person that usually is very brave, usually overly powerful, and able to win over the people and stop the issue. The fourth thing is the obstacles that the hero faced. Usually, it's things to prove his or her strength in order to show the people that they are a hero. And the last thing that you need to pay attention to is the final result. This is the resolution, the final fight where all the things are decided and resolved. Here are some examples that you can go and watch. These are movies. I consider these epic stories because they all have the main five concepts of an epic story, which is the problem, people affected, the main hero, obstacles the hero faced, and the resolution. When you're creating your own epic story, you have to make sure that you use all of the main concepts in order for it to be an epic story. Try to make an epic story of your own. Here are some guidelines that will help you develop your epic story. Write an engaging story with a well developed conflict, who the story will affect, a hero, obstacles, and a resolution with interesting and believable characters, a range of literary strategies and devices to enhance the plot, and sensory details that define the mode or tone. Here's an example that I came up on my own with of an epic story. It's not the full epic story, but it is an example to show you what the epic story should start off like. Now that you have gotten the concept of what an epic story should go like and what you should use in an epic story, now it's time to show you how to create your own epic hero. I'm going to demonstrate a website that I found where you can create and design your own epic hero using different tools and colors and little outfits that'll go along with your hero. The first thing you're going to need to do is go to your Internet Explorer or your Google Chrome or whatever browser that you use and type this web address into your browser. When you type the web address into your browser, it's going to take you to this main page. And in order for you to get to the machine to create your superhero, you will see this arrow. I'm going to show you, and you will click Start Now, and it will take you to the next page. After going to the next page, you will see a button. It'll say Begin, and you will click that button to go to the page where it'll show you which person that you want to choose. If you want to choose a woman hero or a monster or male hero, you can choose the male hero. Here's the monster hero, and this is the figure for the women. When you click and choose your ones, I decided to do a woman because I am a girl and I love women superheroes. Um, Over here, you can see little hairstyles and gadgets to put on your arms and your legs, and you can change the skin types, your headgear, the upper body equipment, your lower body equipment, your accessories, and you also can create your own name. After you create everything and you feel like you're finished, you can click the download button and it'll download your superhero to your computer or the device that you're using. When you're done and you save everything, it'll show you what you created. And this is my example of what I created. You see my name here, and this is my superhero. You can see there's different backgrounds. You can change your background and the different clothes that they put on and the icons you put on it. It's very interesting, and you'll be able to create your own hero based on what you like. After completion of the story, students are expected to create a character sketch using the character's guideline sheet. Students should be able to understand the Creating Marvel Hero Character and Characteristics worksheet with at least 80% accuracy. For the lower achieving students, instead of creating 3 sketched characters, only create 2. Instead of listing who the character affects and the obstacles, only allow them to include a conflict, hero, and a resolution. Students will be evaluated on their story plot and grammar, so I can evaluate if students understand the concept of the lesson. I will be looking to see if students follow directions as described in class. I will also grade their Marvel characters activity using a rubric. This includes my digital lesson plan, and I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I hope that you can use this in your classrooms someday. Thank you.